And welcome, everybody. I'm Glenn Davis. Alongside me, former Major League Soccer defender Brian Dunseth. Chelsea, certainly a team that is here to get ready for the preseason. The New York Red Bulls, currently in third place in the Eastern Conference, last night played in the Lamar Hunt U.S. Open Cup. So tonight, for the New York Red Bulls, we look at their lineup brought to you by Guinness, and it's got a lot of youth in it, Brian.
Kyle Reynish in goal. Roy Miller comes back from Costa Rica. He'll start at left back. We met Klua McClaws across the back line. Keep an eye on the number 66, Tyler Adams, just 16 years of age. Sean Davis, the number 27, will sit underneath that front three. Herman Award winner Leo Stolzer on the left. And then Obakop, Sonis, and Bedoya in that front three prong of the attack.
For Chelsea, this is their first game in the International Champions Cup, and of course, they have won the Premier League last year by 8 points over Manchester City. You see Courtois now, the clear number one in goal, and we'll take a look at the Chelsea lineup, also brought to you by Guinness.
The first match of the preseason for Jose Mourinho. Courtois in goal as Piliqueta, Cahill, Zuma, Ivanovic across the back line. John Obi Mikel will protect that back four. Oscar and Cesc Fabregas in the midfield, and then Loic Remy, Victor Moses, and Bertrand Traoré. This is a young player, just 19 years of age, spent the last 2 seasons on loan at Vitesse Arnhem. Just got his work permit less than a month ago.
Stay with us here on Fox. Both teams walking out, preparing here for the first half kickoff. It's all coming up. It's Chelsea, New York Red Bulls next.